Hello, welcome to the demonstration of Texa Interactive Panel. Established in 2005 in Hong Kong as Sandpress Limited, a technology sourcing company, we built strong global experience in delivering reliable technology solutions. In 2023, we emerged with the brand Texa, introducing modern interactive solutions for education and corporate sector. Texa introduces two powerful models, Texa Plus for classrooms and Texa Pro for professional meeting spaces. Selected models are also available with a built-in camera and 8-array microphone system, enabling seamless video conferencing and hybrid collaboration. Windows is optional through OPS, allowing users to add a Windows operating system for full PC level performance. In this demo, we will walk you through the functions, built-in tools, connectivity options, and the AI-powered Texa Teach Connect LMS designed to transform teaching, learning, and collaboration. Let's explore how Texa interactive flat panels deliver smarter teaching, better engagement, and more productive meetings. Available in sizes from 55 inches to 110 inches. Every Texa panel features a stunning 4K Ultra HD display powered by Android 14 with Android 16 coming soon. RAM options include 8GB and 16GB, while storage options range from 128GB, 256GB up to 1TB. Our panels are Google EDLA certified, enabling seamless access to all Google-supported applications like Google Classroom, Google Meet, YouTube, and more, making teaching and presentations more efficient and engaging. Our Texa interactive panels has 14-point touch, allowing multiple students and teachers to work on the panel simultaneously.
For a smooth writing experience, we provide a stylus pen, which is a dual tip pen consisting of a thin side and a thick side, or you can just use your finger. This is our taskbar. We have a pen option. You can select the type of pen right here. This option is for the thin tip and this is for the thick tip. You can adjust the width of your pen right here. You can also choose the color or customize the color from here. For erasing, we have provided an eraser option right here. You can adjust the width of the eraser, or you can just use your palm just like the traditional way. Or if you want to clear everything that's on the board, we have provided a clear all option. In the pen type, we have an OCR pen, which converts written text into computer text. We have a select option right here, which gives you a few options to select from. We have an option for AI search, which gives you a short and crisp content based on the text you have written here. You can select and drop down the content over here to the board. In pen, we have a magic pen feature where we could freehand draw figures and it will automatically get converted to 2D images that you get to choose from. The whiteboard also includes a built-in geometry tools, which is very useful in mathematics and technical subjects. It automatically measures lengths accurately right here. The set square is ideal for creating perfect right angles. And it will be automatically measured right here. The protractor helps in measuring and drawing angles. The measurement of the angle is accurately given here. The compass tool enables you to draw accurate circles and arcs. I've drawn a circle of 7.5 radius here. These tools provide a hands-on learning experience which makes complex subjects easier to understand and demonstrate. We provide a shape tool which includes wide range of 2D and 3D shapes to support visual learning. In 2D, you can insert shapes such as squares, polygons, circles, etc. You can also freehand draw 2D objects. In 3D, you can insert cuboids, spheres, etc. for explaining spatial concepts more effectively. These ready-to-use shapes saves time for teachers and make lessons more interactive for students. Now, if we want multiple students or teachers to work on the panel simultaneously, we have provided a partition tool which can split the screen up to 6 divisions. Each section operates independently, so writing or drawing in one area does not affect the others. This makes it ideal for group activities, practice sections, or comparing multiple solutions side by side. Each partition has an eraser option and you can choose different colors for the pen in different partitions. Next, we have a table tool where you can insert tables and further customize them by adding or deleting rows and columns according to your requirement. When you enter content into any cell, the text automatically adjusts within the cell, ensuring proper alignment without manual formatting. This feature is especially useful for presenting data, creating comparisons, timetables, or solving problems step by step in a well-organized manner. Next is the browser feature. The panel includes a built-in search engine, allowing you to browse and explore information in detail based on your subject requirements. You can quickly search for topics, access educational websites, view images, or play videos directly on the panel without needing any external device. You can select, drag, and drop images and annotate them for further explanations as well. This feature enables teachers to bring real-time information into the classroom, making lessons more interactive, informative, and up-to-date. Next, we have the mind map or flowchart tool that helps in organizing ideas and concepts in a structured and visual format. You can easily add or delete cells based on a requirement, and any content written inside the cells automatically adjusts for proper alignment and clarity. This makes it highly useful for explaining processes, concepts, and relationships in a simple and effective way.
Now we have the preview icon, which allows you to zoom in up to 300% and zoom out up to 30% for better viewing control.
We also have a grid tool where you can insert grids and write text to convert them to computer text. Next, in the More option, we have sticky notes, globe, star, periodic table, and mini player. You can place the sticky note on a corner and work on the rest of the board after. The globe tool gives 2D as well as 3D image of the earth, making geography classes more engaging and interesting for students. We have star tool to show the rotation and revolutions of the earth and sun. The periodic table helps in concept-based learning. You can get the details and information about an element by just clicking on them. You can double tap or drag down elements and combine them. All the possible compounds with those elements will be displayed at the right side. The mini player helps you to play short videos for better visual learning. You make any mistake, don't worry, we do have undo and redo tool option. At the bottom right hand corner, you have a feature to add new pages and you can have a view of all the pages that you have used before. You can go to the previous or next page, or you can click delete if you wish to get the page removed. The list icon allows you to view all the files you have created till now, and you can easily switch between them or delete them. The share icon lets you instantly share content via QR code or connected devices. The students can easily scan the QR code and get the notes or the files. Using the exit icon, you can exit from the whiteboard and return to the home screen. The menu gives quick access to whiteboard tools and options. Using New, you can instantly start a fresh page for a new topic, class or discussion. With Open, you can access previously saved lessons, notes at any time. The Save option allows you to store the current whiteboard content directly inside the panel. The Import feature lets you bring in files such as PDFs, images or documents directly into the whiteboard for annotation. You can easily convert and share the content as PDF, image or other formats after the session using the Export tool. If you want to save content to the cloud for access from anywhere, you can store it to the cloud storage. In the settings, we have an option to use the dark theme. You can also change the handwriting language using the handwriting recognition language tool. You can choose from various languages to convert handwritten word to computer text through this recognition feature. This is our floating quick access side menu. Let's start with AI Assistant. Teachers and presenters can instantly ask questions, generate explanations, create summaries, or get content support in real time without leaving the screen using the AI assistant. With AI Mark, you can highlight important areas, annotate and emphasize key points clearly. You get a quick access to search engine by just rounding and selecting the word for a brief explanation of the topic. Need only a part of the screen? Use AI crop to select and capture only the required portion instantly. The record feature allows you to record the entire session, ideal for revision, training, or sharing with absent students. The timer and stopwatch tool are useful for classroom activities, exams, and time-based discussions. Freeze screen lets you lock the screen temporarily while you prepare the next content without students seeing the changes. Conduct instant polls and collect live responses from students for interactive learning using the Poll Kit tool. We have calculator to solve problems instantly during teaching, mini player, weather tools. Using the split or half screen, you can run two sources simultaneously. The spotlight feature helps you to highlight a specific area of the screen to focus students' attention. Randomly select students for answering questions or activities using the random pick feature. The scoreboard lets you maintain classroom activity scores for interactive learning. At the bottom, you have quick access to brightness control, volume control, connectivity options, and quick navigation and power options.
Let's look at the quick access menu of the Texa interactive panel. Simply swipe down from the top to open. This gives instant access to internet, connectivity, Bluetooth, mic and camera access, screenshot, location, etc. You also get quick toggles for data saver, color correction, focus mode, TV remote, etc. Here you have the sharing or casting app where you can wirelessly mirror mobile phones, laptops, tablets directly to the panel for instant collaboration.